Like, imagine this guy is sitting in the flood and he is helpless. He wants food. He is starving, but he has no food. So we can use our drone to send relief to the people instead of sending people themselves. Because if people go to give them reliefs, the people might be in danger. So as you can see, we can control the drone with the remote and send the drone to here, where it can place the relief to the people, and or we can also provide relief to the car. So he will explain how the drone works.
This is my part. I show you how this works. This is the battery. This is a 100 mark battery, and there are 8 connections in total. 4 M pluses and 1 M plus, 1 M minus, 3 M plus, 4 M minus. And we soldered the wires of these motors to these connections by using soldering iron, drum, and a type of steel. And if we connect this to this point, then the drone will turn on. And this is our remote. We used a F6 radar and F6 radar, so that the drone receives a connection and can go very far. Like, for example, this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.